Hey everybody, Gina DeLuca here. In yesterday's video, I did a straight pour with Color Shift, the Folk Art Color Shift paint in the Pink Flash Rose Brilliant and the Purple Flash and DecoArt Dazzling Metallics in Teal. And I used a mix of the Dioxazine Purple, Liquitex Basics, and a little bit of white to brighten it up a bit. So you saw how that turned out. There were some cells with the Pink Flash color. And, you know, they weren't very strong, but there were some cells there. So today, if you've seen my other straight pour videos, you know that I believe that matte paints tend to sell better in a straight pour. So what I have done is added a little bit of matte medium to those colors. It's a Liquitex, Liquitex matte medium. So we'll see if it makes a difference. I didn't add a whole lot, just a bit. I didn't want to overdo it. You know, I wanted to see if it makes any difference at all, and then we can play with the ratios after we figure out if it does anything. So I'm just going to put a little bit in my cup of the purple, which is our background color. And then the rest I will put as my base coat. These paints are mixed. 1 part paint, 2 parts Floetrol. That's straight Floetrol. They are mixed with my 90% water, 10% Floetrol concoction. And again, as mentioned, a little bit of the matte medium added just to see what happens. Okay. I have a little bit to spare there, so let's just use it up. I will do the same color order as I did in the previous video. So the teal, the purple flash, which really looks more like pink, and the pink flash, which really looks more like orange. Okay. Let's get to pouring. Let's pop some bubbles. I will hit this corner first since I'm already over here, sort of. Well, I have to say already, this is much better cell action. There may be something to it. That's exciting. That could be a new discovery. If you have that one paint that you love and it just doesn't want to sell up on you in a straight pour, this could be the answer. All right, I'm going to let this sit for a bit and see what happens. Back in a few. Okay, so this has been sitting for a while. You can see more cells have popped up. There's some of the teal. I love right there where it kind of blended and wrapped around the color shift paint. Lots and lots of cells. That teal just looks so pretty, so vibrant. Alrighty, here's the piece dry. I wanted to show you guys. First of all, that metallic is just super sparkles. But check that. It's purple. It's orange. Pink, orangish pink, red, whatever that color is. It's purple. It's whatever that color is. This came out really cool. I cannot wait to see this varnished. And you can see how shiny the background is in comparison to the cells, as we always seem to find happens on these straight pours. But I will show you this piece too. The parts where it's celled, you can see are matte. So adding the matte medium made those paints a little more matte and gave me my usual awesome straight pour cells. This is so cool. I'm digging it. And I might as well show you the swipe. Here we have it. That kind of looks like trees. I may have to do something with that. But that also has the very cool effect. The color shifts are more vibrant on this piece. I guess they, didn't do quite as much blending with each other. But it's harder to see the color shift on this one. So there it is. Very cool stuff. You guys, today, as of about an hour ago, my paintings are up on my website for sale, at least some of them. I put up the first batch. I will be putting up more, but there's something to look at there now. So no more Spreezy, no more Etsy. GinaDeLuca.net is the place to go. And you can also find my music there, so go check it out. There will be a link in the description box for that, so do check that out. There is a cat scratching on something that he shouldn't be. Description box. Yes, there will be a link to my website in the description box. There's a link to the PayPal tip jar if you feel so inclined. And the link to go make some art. Our Facebook group, should you need some help, there's always someone there to help you out. And my Amazon store. If you enter through the link provided, anything that you purchase off of the entire website of Amazon, I will receive a small commission of at no extra cost to you. So it's a way to hook a sister up without costing you a dime. All right, you guys, that's it for today. I'm very excited about this piece and my matte medium discovery. Hope you are too. I hope you have a beautiful day. Now go make some art.